So you might think on the face of it, this floor looks okay. But if you take a closer look, you might see some worn off lacquer that's worn down over the years, especially in high footfall areas like doorways. There's ingrained soil which has occurred and developed over time, and it just looked a little bit dull. So Anna and Lucy asked me if I could change the colour, and we did this by sanding off the old coating using our flexi sand, and then giving it 3 coats of a matte coated lacquer. So it's a clear lacquer, but the floor looks renewed, the grain looks great, it's bringing the warmth into the rooms, and most importantly, it was exactly the colour that matches their lounge as well. So here's the finished product with all the kick plates back in place. This floor will last a long time to come, and it looked absolutely great. So yeah, thank you for the business. I've really enjoyed working with you guys.